hands in the motherfucking air.
What is up, YouTube? It is your boy JayBee back at it again with another video. This is going to be an installation video of the Cold Air Intake, but currently we are heading to the airport. We're going to pick up my parents. Yeah, they just got back from Spain, so going to Terminal D. Pick them up, scoop them up. They've been gone for about a week and a half or so. Haven't seen them and had like little contact with them since they don't have the international call, and they didn't get a phone out there, so it was like via email when they ever got internet and stuff. But yeah, man, it's glad to have them back. They enjoyed their trip, had a safe trip. ¿Qué pasó right here, amigo? I guess it was a hit or run or something. Hope everybody okay. There's nobody in the car, nobody around. Alright, but yeah, like what I was saying, they just got back from Spain, enjoyed the trip. They did a lot of sightseeing. So airport's very close to us, about like a 10-minute drive ish. So I'll catch y'all when I pick them up. Alright, so we here, but we have no gas. I think I'm just gonna have to go get gas first and come back, honestly, because I have no gas. I fucked up. I totally fucked up. Thank God for Apple Pay, man. I was gonna get stranded out here. Oh shit. I was getting a little worried. Had no gas, but I did have the card on my phone, and they did have Apple Pay on their card. I mean, on the little card reader thing. Whew, I was getting a little worried. Hola. Sorry. It's alright.
Hi, cutie.
Hola, mother.
How are you?
Yeah.
Did you miss us?
No.
You didn't? You need?
¡Eh, vale!
Vale!
¿Qué haciendo, vale?
Estuvimos en España.
España, no de España.
España.
Yes, I've been waiting 1 month and 2 weeks for my ZZP performance package. We about to install this right fucking now. Fucking lit, dude. Been waiting. They better have gave me something extra for me waiting so damn long. Dude, a month and 14 days. What is this? That might be classified information that y'all can't see. This feels amazing. Oh my God. Okay, let's go ahead with this box first, since we've seen it first. It'll be open first. This is one of the reasons why they said, this is why I had to wait so long. Look at that, Dad. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Isn't that amazing, Dad? What else I got? They ain't give me nothing for free. They did. They gave me 2 stickers right there. But I ain't putting that on because they messed me up. Alright, Dad, since you're here, perfect time, and I could just go inside. Just work. Put it on. Yeah, you put it on, just let me know when it's ready. Scality. Alright. Get this little dusty, look at that silencer in there. Look, that's a little silencer, that silent system. Oh, this whole thing comes off. Lit. Look at that. Just take that off and figure out how to use this. Okay. Put that back right there. Lit. So this goes right here. That. Now the two clamps that on this go here. Where I leave them at? Bro, oh, Jesus, bro. I have a big ass mess. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited. Okay, there it goes. Get it somewhere. Get it somewhere. Hoping that's not squeezed. It's in there pretty good. Alright, so I got it just now. Just put it on there now. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna flip it back that way. No. The struggle is real. Are you? It came off.
Where?
It came off again right here.
Why don't you snap it on there right? Is it supposed to snap on there right?
I probably didn't snap it on there. I think this is not on there right. There, it's on. Alright. I just think that might be it. Alrighty, so it is on. Got a little sweat on it. I think everything is securely fastened, I hope. Let's get this cold start on. I haven't turned it on today. Oh my Lord. Dude, that sounds sexy, bro. That's only 4,000 RPMs, man. Let me do that one more time. Sounds amazing. I haven't even done anything. You know, like how that sounds? Oh my Lord! You hated on my car, Dad. Sounds cool, then. Doesn't that sound cool?
Yes, man. That's what you like.
Oh man. Alright, man, so I'm still sweating, but I'm not gonna say it's worth the 1 month and 2 weeks wait, but wish it was here sooner. But it does. I'm not mad, you know. I'm not gonna return it. It sounds beautiful, but sure wish it would have been here a month ago, not a month and 2 weeks. But overall, bro, ZZP is a great product. I don't know if I'm gonna buy more stuff from them due to this purchase, and it took absolutely way too long. Too many mistakes, not necessarily by ZZP themselves, but by the people that make certain parts for them, so their supplier. I don't know. But yeah, so it was kind of, I was kind of iffy. I wanted to cancel it like 2-3 times, but I just kept looking at videos and said I'm gonna just wait it off, and I've already been waiting 3-4 weeks. Why am I gonna cancel now? So overall, bro, this shit sounds amazing. I do I do love it. Yeah, well, this is just a little bit of one little simple mod. More to come. If y'all do enjoy this channel, enjoy this. If y'all did enjoy this review and assembly, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If y'all didn't, hit that dislike button for me. But yeah, catch you on the next video. If y'all subscribers, peace.